Good morning, friends. Welcome to Adda 24/7. We are in selection MCQ series for retail banking and wealth management, and today's topic is objective questions on general banking. General means common retail banking which we face in our daily lives. Remember, we study all the difficult parts and we get clean bold on the basic problems in banking. So in exam, basics are asked as well as the difficult ones are asked. So follow this video completely. Let's start. Which of the following defines retail banking? The banking service that is geared primarily towards individuals. The banking that deals with lending money to individual consumers rather than corporates. That part of the banking that is meant for small account holders. Only one and two. 1, 2 and 3 all, and only 2 and 3. So what is the correct answer? Is the banking service, general banking service, we are talking here mainly of retail banking. Is this retail banking or general banking geared up for primarily towards individuals? Or is it lending to individual consumers? Or to small account holders? Or is it to all of them? Or is it nothing? The option might not be there, but is it nothing? Yeah. The answer is what? Everyone. See here, general banking we are talking of, the daily banking which we do. In our branch, we always see those retail customers, individuals coming to you. You give the loans to the individuals, housing loan, this consumer loan, car loan, two-wheeler loan, gold loan. All these loans are given to individual consumers. Then third part is small account holders. Small account holders means here retail banking does not only include consumers. Retail banking also includes small accounts means what? It can be proprietorship, current accounts also, proprietorship, partnership, even lending to the smaller institutions in form of CC, cash credit. Okay, private limited companies, those are also many a times brought under the small account concepts. Okay, because we give loans to them also. We give loans to LLPs, we give loans to private limited companies, to proprietorships, to partnerships. We give loans to all of these as far as their turnovers are lesser. In that case only they are considered under retail banking. So small account holders is again the right answer. Individual consumers again the right answer. And primarily geared towards individual, again the right answer. Answer is C. Got it? The advantages of retail banking include, so what are the advantages? High interest spreads, risk spread over large client base, strong customer loyalty, high volatility in demand for retail products. So what is the correct answer? Let's see. A to D all, let me make this. A to D all means higher interest spreads spread over large client base and customer loyalty, and high volatility means, now this is a twist. Okay, A to D all, A to C only, A and B and C. So there is a twist over here. Okay, some of you might be thinking about A, but A is not the answer. Take it from me. A is not the answer. So what is the answer then? If A is not the answer, then what is the answer? Is it A to C, A and B? Okay. What is this higher interest spreads? Higher interest spreads means here, if I am giving a loan to Reliance, let me bring two scenarios over here. Okay. If I am giving a loan to Reliance, okay, what will Reliance have? Reliance will have their own team. Learned team, I will call it, learned team. Okay, they will know what is the repo rate, what is the reverse repo rate, they'll know everything. But if I am giving the loan to retail, individual customer, will that customer know what is the present scene in scenario in this repo rate or reverse repo rate, or what the RBI is doing about MSS or MSF facility? Will the retail customer know all these things? No. So what happens when the customer doesn't know anything? You can charge a bit higher spreads. What will happen is, for Reliance, if I go and tell him that yes, I'll give you a loan at around 8%. Okay, the learned team of Reliance will say, presently the repo rate is, let's say, at 6.5. I won't give you any rate other than 6.5 plus 0.25. Earn only 0.25. So Reliance team will know what is the repo rate going on, what is the reverse repo rate going on. Okay, but will your retail customer tell you that, okay, presently if I tell him that the rate of interest is 9%, will that customer tell me that, okay, the rate of interest is right now repo is at 6.5, so you don't charge me plus this extra 2.5 for me? Never. What happens? Retail customer generally doesn't know about these nitty-gritties of RBIs and the details of the financial markets. So in that case, what happens? You can charge a bit higher, you can earn a bit higher. So that's why higher interest spreads can be a feature of retail banking. Okay. Number 2, risk spread over large client base. This is also true. Giving one loan to Reliance of, let's say, 1 crore. Okay. And in retail banking, this 1 crore will be divided into what? This 1 crore will be divided into around, let's say, 1000 clients. So if I divide this 1 crore into 1000 clients, each one will get around 1 lakh rupees, right? So 1 lakh loan is distributed to 1000 clients over here. So because of this, what happens? My risk gets lower, lesser. Means what? One company can go down anytime. Just now we saw in that SVB Bank, or everyone has heard about this? Right fast, SVB Bank. From where was this SVB Bank? India or USA? Type fast, SVB Bank. Where was this SVB Bank? Recently it was in news, right? Yesterday, day before yesterday, even today it's in news. Okay. So SVB Bank. This bank was in which country? India or USA? It is in USA. Correct. What? Okay. Another one. Credit Suisse. From where is this company? Which is this bank? Credit Suisse. It was in news recently, right? Everyone has heard about this bank. What is happening about this? There was a huge collapse going on for SVB Bank, but it was bailed out. Credit Suisse, that also it was facing a huge crunch, but it was bailed out in some other source. Then, which is the third bank which was under the trouble now? Anyone? Anyone? Which was the third bank recently in USA? All the banks are from USA. There is a huge trouble going on. This is called a systemic risk going on. Systemic risk going on means one bank is in trouble, all the banks come in trouble. So this was a systemic risk. And which is the third bank then? The third bank was, anyone? Think fast. Which is the third bank which was in trouble? It is called as First Republic Bank, right? It was First Republic Bank. First Republic, this was the name. This was the third bank. They had put in some 30 billion or something, some amount in that bank and then bailed out. So that's why this corporate banking will always have a trouble. One client goes down, everything goes down. So that's why in retail banking it's better. The higher the risk is spread over large client base. So it can never happen that all the 1000 clients become NPAs. One client can become NPA of 1 crore, very easy. But 1000 clients of 1 lakh becoming NPA, very difficult. Customer loyalty, strong customer loyalty. That is the answer. That is, of course, how many times, just tell me in the comment section, how many times have you seen the customer shifting the bank, retail customer? Today I am having an account in SBI, tomorrow I am having in my account in PNB, then in HDFC Bank, then in ICICI Bank, then some other bank. How many times does the customer do this? Never. Okay, it's very rare. So strong customer loyalty is also the answer. So the correct answer is what? It is B, A to C, right? Volatility in demand of retail product, that is not the right answer. Because in retail product there is never a huge volatility. Plus or minus 5-10% here and there, it's okay. This year my home loans are 1000 crores. Next year they will be around 1100 crores or 900 crores. Okay, but it won't, from 1000 it won't go to 2000 or it won't come down to 400. Okay. So the advantage, correct answer is what? Only A to C. Which of the following is the characteristics of retail banking? Characteristics, important point about retail. The banking services provided target the individual customers. Is it so? Yes. These activities are focused on mass market segment. Is it so? Yes. The large corporates having large number of employees are also provided banking facilities under the retail banking. Means large number of employees are there. So is it so? Yes. No. This is not yes. This is not yes. Retail banking is geared towards individual customers. Okay. Mass market segment. Okay. But large corporates means this comes under corporate banking or wholesale banking. So this can't be true. Although it is given here for this a sort of fooling you. The options given over here are having large number of employees. So when we see large number of employees over here, we immediately feel that yes, it might be a part of retail banking. But it's not, because the first word is important over here. Retail banking will not cater to large corporates. Tata is having large number of employees. Reliance is having large number of employees. Adani is having all large number of employees, right? Adani was in the recent news, right? So that's why again come up, but Adani has grown very fast, okay? And it was definite to grow, okay? Coming back, chalo. So large corporates, immediately we see the name, that is not a part of retail banking. So what is the characteristics? 1 to 3 all? 1 and 2 only. 2 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only. So what is the correct answer over here? The correct answer is 1 and 2 only, right? There is no third answer over here. Got it? Clear everyone? Retail banking services can be extended through which of the following? Means retail banking, how can the customer access the retail banking service? Means what? How can I access my saving account? How can I access my current account? How can I access my CC account? How can I access my loan account? How can I get a new loan? Remember, saving, current, accessing is different. Nowadays things have gone ahead. Getting a new loan is also accessible through internet and mobile bankings now. So retail banking services can be extended through branches and internet banking only. Branches and ATMs only. ATMs and internet banking only. Branches, ATMs, internet banking and mobile banking. All of them. So what is the answer over here? A, B, C or D? Is it through all? Can I access my loan through branches? Can I access my loan through ATMs? Yes. Up till now, some ATMs are not giving. Many of the ATMs are acting as a cash dispensing machine. Cash dispensing means what? CDM we call it. CDM. Cash dispensing machine. Only cash giving machine. But now, ATMs are changing. We are calling them as, there is another word to ATMs now, that is called as kiosks. What is kiosk? Kiosk means what will I do? I'll do major transactions in ATM. I'll get the loan. I'll access my account. If I want to do, nowadays I'll tell you, in kiosks the things are happening like I can book my train bookings through kiosks. That is also possible through ATM now. So things have changed a lot. ATM is no more that cash giving machine now. Okay. Internet banking, that's obvious. In internet banking I can access all my services. I can apply for the loans. I can apply for the checkbook, right? I can stop the checks. Mobile banking, same. Everything is available in mobile banking now. Nowadays mobile banking has shifted to what? App banking. Earlier mobile banking was only limited to what? SMS. Get the statements, get the balance. And then something like that related, means what are your transactions, this much only. So now it has shifted from that SMS banking to app banking. Okay, so the correct answer is what? D. I can access my retail banking services through branches, ATMs, internet banking, mobile banking and variety of other features. Okay. Now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, daily quizzes here. New job openings also. Importantly, why am I telling you this? Because nowadays we are in finance world. We can shift the jobs from here and there. Okay, so definitely you can go for it. Also, you will be getting live classes, ebooks, tests for JIB and CIB. So follow it, come immediately. Download the app immediately. Also, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on JIB and CIB, and importantly, you will be getting the free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB. Right now, what are you watching? You're watching the free YouTube series. Okay, so download it now, subscribe to it now, click on the bell icon. Everyone, do it fast. Okay, everyone like the video first. Everyone like this video. Because what happens if you like the video, the buffering is correct. Also, share it with your friends because it's a free knowledge. Why not to share? Whatever is available in free, you can share it in your groups, isn't it? Which of the following is not a feature of retail banking? Not. Now we want not a feature, okay? They are provided through branches as well as through virtual banking channels. They can be extended only for amounts which are very small in size. They can be offered both for liability and asset products. They can be extended to small business also, small size business also. So is this, which of them is not? We want to find out the false one now, not the true one. So in true one, they can be provided through branches as well as virtual banking channels. Just now we saw it. So that is true. But I want what? False. What is my requirement? My requirement is false. But this is true. So this is not my answer. Next one. These can be extended only for amounts which are very small in size. Now is this the answer? Yes. This is false. Retail banking is not only related to only small in size amounts. Only small in size amounts means, see here, retail banking will have one feature of small size accounts also. Jandhan accounts are there, ODs of rupees 5,000 are there. I can give a consumer loan of let's say 5,000, 10,000 roughly. But that is not a limitation. I can give of this. But I can also give a loan of 1 crore or 2 crore in retail banking, right? Nowadays this housing segment has grown so huge. In the major cities, you are getting houses at around 2 crores. So if the housing is at 2 crores, my loan will be what, around 75% of that, right? If I give a loan of 75% of 2 crores, then also it comes to 1.5 crores. So that's why my retail banking is not only limited to small size. It can be for a higher size also. So these products can be offered for liability as well as asset products. Obviously, retail liability means deposit, asset means your loan products. So that is also true, but I want false. So this is true. So this answer is not required by me. These can be extended to small size businesses also. Yeah, that is also true. Means proprietorship, partnership mainly, but I want false. So this is not the answer. So only answer is B now. Okay, they can be extended only for amounts very small in size. I want not the feature. Okay. Which of the following is not an advantage in retail banking? See here, the questions are only on basic banking. I don't say all of the questions will come to you in exam from this session, but one of them may be there. Because these are all similar types of questions, but you will get one of them, and what happens if we don't know, we get clean bold on such basic questions. Which of the following is not an advantage? Not. Okay, again the same logic. Credit risk well diversified. So is this true? Well diversified means 1 crore given to 1,000 customers. So this is known as credit risk well diversified. Means what? It won't happen that all the customers will become NPA at the same time. So this is true. So I want not the feature. Again look at the question. I want false answer, but this is true. So this is not the right answer. So this is true. I'll write it. Okay. Regular demand for products from customers. So this is also true, because regular demand for products, the demand for products of retail banking never changes in a huge size, in a huge magnitude. This time my home loans are let's say 1,000 crores, next year they are 2,000 crores. It never happens like this. From 1000 crores, the home loans will grow to 1100 crores. 10% here and there. 15% here and there. 20%, not more than 20%. So this is also true, but I don't want true. Now, C and D, you'll have to search, because otherwise if I give all the answers, what will you do? Mass selling of products. The average cost of returning the customer is very high. So we want not the advantage. So what is the true answer over here? Mass selling and average cost of returning the customer is very high. So the false one is this. The average cost of returning the customer is very low over here in retail banking. Customers are very simple in retail banking. If they shift the bank, they can immediately come back depending on the service which you give. The service, the sweetness of your discussion with the clients. You have to be courteous to the clients. Courteous means you have to be empathetic to those clients. If you do that, retail banking clients will come back to you. So the correct answer is this. It's not high, it's very less. And mass selling of products, that is true, because we are in the mass market only. But that is true means I don't want this answer. So the answer is D. Okay. Now let me talk to you about this batch. This batch recently started about JAIIB. All the 4 subjects are covered. PPB, IFS, AFM and retail banking and wealth management. Numericals, objective questions, case studies, everything is covered. 80% discount you are getting it presently under the scheme. Use the code Y432. If you are having the Mahapack, if you go for the Mahapack, you are getting double validity. What is the Mahapack? 15 plus batches per subject. PPB 15, IFS 15, AFM 15 and retail 15. Okay. So go for this immediately. It's an investment for lifetime. Everyone like this video right now. Share, comment in the, give the comments in the comment section. Click on the bell icon everyone. Okay. Let me go to the other question. The retail banking suffers from which of the following disadvantage? Directly move to disadvantage. Okay. Constant, remove this. So the retail banking suffers from which of the following disadvantages? Which of them is not correct? See here, the questions are difficult this time over here. Okay. We all want not correct, means again false. We want the false ones. Why I have taken all these tricky questions over here? Because in exams you will be getting such tricky questions. Which of them is not correct? Which of them is false? Which of them is not the feature? Such questions we get it. And we need to think in the reverse direction in such cases. The problem of managing large number of individual customers, it's not of it means suffers from disadvantage. So not correct. So many large number of customers, that's true. Because there are a large number of customers. So this is true part, but I don't want true. Quick evaluation of products that led to IT complications means products you may fastly move out and they become fastly go in the declining stage of the life cycle. So that is also true or false. What do you say? Let's see. Okay. Availability of higher spreads. So higher spreads means the spread is higher. What do you mean by spread is higher? Net interest margin is higher. So this is a disadvantage or this is an advantage, right? So what do I want? Which of them is not the disadvantage? See here, not correct. So I want not the disadvantage. Okay. So I want the advantage. So the correct answer is what? This is false. This is not a disadvantage. This is an advantage. The availability of higher spreads is an advantage. So I'll write it over here, advantage. We want what? What is the requirement? That's what I am saying. It's a tricky question. I want which of them is not the disadvantage, means which of them is the advantage. So my answer will be C over here. Remember this, not. Two negatives make one positive, right? Disadvantage is a negative word, not is a negative word. So not disadvantage means it becomes an advantage. So the answer is C over here, okay? Because this is an advantage, okay? Level of irregularity in the loans is very high. This is not the correct answer again, okay? So the answer is C. To cover the higher operational cost in offering retail banking, banks encourage use of ATM, telephone banking, internet banking, call centers and branch banking. A, B, C, D, E. Which of them is correct? To cover the higher operational cost. So bank will tell the customer to use ATM machine, telephone machine, internet machine, call center machine. That is also after all a machine only, okay? It's a organized call center. So the cost is very less over here. Branch banking, this is a huge cost. So to cover the operational cost, this bank will never tell the customer to go to the branch banking because that will add up to the cost. So E will not be the answer. The correct answer will be what? A to D, A to C, A and B, B, C and D. So what is the correct answer over here? It is A to D all. Okay. So that is the answer. Okay. Now I'll show you how to get this discount. Use the code Y432. But how to use? Let me go to Adda 24/7 Live. If you are having the app, go through the app. In the app, you'll be getting 1% extra. Okay. Let's go to Adda 24/7 Live. See this. On Adda 24/7 Live, once you go there, you will get first page only. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Say the JAIIB and CIB. You see JAIIB, CIB, Mahapack, CIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. You'll get the batches. Click on this English batch. You'll see the details. What are the dates? What are the timings? What are the durations of the class? Study plans, everything. Recorded videos are available. Read through it. Importantly, recorded videos means what? You can get the videos again if you miss out on any class due to some banking pressure. 2 interactive classes are there. 2 interactive means you can ask the questions there and then itself. Okay. E-books are available. Tests are available. What do you require more? Let's look at the fees part. 19,999. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. You'll see this 19,999 reduces to 3,999. Such a huge discount you are getting. Validity is 6 months. Okay. In fact, I would suggest go for the Mahapacks. In Mahapacks, once you go, remember, in Mahapacks you get 15 plus batches per subject. Okay. What is Mahapack? All the subjects you will be getting the 15 plus batches. Means what all subjects are we talking of? Let me show you. JAIIB ka Mahapack. Click on JAIIB Mahapack. So this you will be getting 15 plus batches for PPB, IFS, AFM and Retail Banking and Wealth Management. All the 4 subjects. E-books are available. Tests are available. Then you are getting this module wise question banks. You are getting module wise tests. Also you are getting the module wise this test I have already told you. So let's look at the view offers. Click on view offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. Now 32,796 reduces to 6,559 and look at the validity. Validity is 12 months. Such a huge offer. Go for it right now because this is an investment for lifetime. I'll be back tomorrow with another session. Till then, keep studying. Also, I would suggest the offer is going on. It won't last long. So join the offer, join the batches immediately. It's an investment for your life.